I tried nicotine chewing gums, but it didn't help me much in quitting smoking or tobacco use. Nicotine chewing gums caused burning sensation in my throat and stomach. When I used nicotine chewing gums, I used to feel like vomiting. Nicotine chewing gums didn't decrease my craving much. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. TaherMahalthy. You are watching Tranquil Your Mind. Let's begin. Whatever I said in the beginning of the video doesn't relate to me. I was just trying to state the common problems faced by persons using nicotine chewing gums improperly. In my previous video, we came to know about various methods through which we can stop smoking in 2 weeks. If you haven't watched those videos yet, you can watch by clicking on the I button above. Today I am going to share with you the proper technique through which nicotine chewing gums can be used and you can have maximum benefit in quitting smoking or tobacco use. The proper method through which nicotine chewing gums to be used is known as chew and park method. It is a two-step method. The step 1 is chew and the step 2 is park. Step 1, chew. In this step, after buying any brand's nicotine chewing gum, you need to open it and keep it in your mouth, and you have to chew it slightly for 1 or 2 times. When you start feeling a peppery taste in your mouth, that means nicotine is being released in the mouth. Now you have to stop chewing and you have to go for the next step, which is park. In this step, you have to stop chewing and park the gum between your cheek and the gums or gingiva. You can alternatively change the place from left side to right side and right side to left side. When you stop feeling the peppery taste in your mouth, you need to chew the gum again and park it between your cheek and the gums. You can repeat this method every 10 to 15 minutes till there is no peppery taste remained in the chewing gum. That means the nicotine present in the chewing gum is completely absorbed. Then you can spit out the chewing gum. One thing to remember is that you should not eat anything before and after 15 minutes of having nicotine chewing gum, and also while using the nicotine chewing gum. How does this nicotine chewing gums work? These chewing gums have a fluid inside them which contains nicotine. Whenever you chew these gums, the nicotine is released inside your mouth and it gets absorbed through the inner surface of your mouth, that is mucosa of the oral cavity, and reaches the brain through the blood supply. There the nicotine starts doing its action, that is release of dopamine. The common problems faced by persons using nicotine chewing gums improperly are nausea or vomiting and burning sensation in the throat and stomach. To avoid the burning sensation in your throat and stomach, you need to avoid chewing the gum rapidly. Instead, you need to chew it slowly and slightly, so that the nicotine released from the gums is not more in quantity at a time, and if it goes into the stomach, it will cause acidity or gastritis, which leads to the burning sensation in the throat and stomach. To prevent nausea or vomiting, you need to avoid swallowing the saliva which is mixed with the nicotine. Due to this, the nicotine present in the saliva causes irritation in the stomach and increases the acid in the stomach, which causes nausea and vomiting due to gastritis. You can spit out the excess amount of saliva formed while using the nicotine chewing gums to avoid these problems like burning sensation in the throat and stomach or nausea and vomiting. To know the correct dosage of nicotine chewing gums to be used, please consult a nearby psychiatrist. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends who can benefit from this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching.